Focus Studio Formula 21 video series by AnalyticsLiv. This is video number 14 and today we will learn about the data blending of two sources. Here we have taken GA4 data and ads data. In GA4 data we have taken ads campaign ID and against that we have taken the key event. Now in the ads data we have taken ID, campaign, clicks, impression and conversion. So here we want to understand, like, if your marketing team is looking to track how many key events were triggered by each of the ads campaign, or even if you are using any other marketing platform, how can we blend the data? So now let us go edit. And we will select both these data sources. Right click and you will get an option to data blend. So now here it is displaying all conversions in both the dimension and metric. So here we need to make the adjustment. So as we want to understand all the data from the ads campaign, so we will take that as the primary data source here. Let us adjust this table first and let us now edit this data. So you can see by default it has taken cross join. So let us take this ads data as primary. Click on these three dots and shift to left. So now this is our primary data source, and edit the join and select left outer join here. So now we want to understand all the campaigns from the ads. We will make that as the primary field. And now this is our join condition. Click on save and again save here. Select your dimension, campaign. Let us take ID and campaign, and in the metric we will select key event, as we need to understand the conversions for all the campaign. So as you can see, in the ads data source we have 32 entries. So here also there should be 32 entries, as we need to understand all the conversions from the campaigns. So let us now verify. So if we have a look at the campaign ID 127, we have key events 18,000, and similarly you can also see here. So you can try this out in your data source as well. So if you have any suggestions for the formulas from your end, you can put that in the comment section and we will come up in the next video with that. Thank you.